Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain the Espresso Professional Portable Espresso Machine. This is the one right in front of me. It comes in two colors, white and black. Let's look at the structure of the Espresso Professional Espresso Machine. The upper part is our top cover. With a silicone lid, it feels very comfortable when closed. Open the water tank. The inside is made of stainless steel. There are minimum and maximum water level lines inside. The front is our start switch, located at the logo. Press it twice to turn it on. After extraction, it will automatically stop. It's electronically controlled. The back has a Type-C charging port. When fully charged, it can make about 300 cups of espresso. The lower part is our powder compartment. Twist it counterclockwise to open. It can hold 16 to 18 grams of coffee powder. The portafilter diameter is 51 millimeters. There are two extraction modes, gathering extraction and bottomless extraction. You can freely choose and make your coffee. The machine's accessories include our WDT tool. Used to break up clumps for better coffee extraction. We also have our 51mm threaded tamper. A magnetic dosing ring with 4 magnetic points. And a silicone base. The machine's function modes are: single click to display the power, double click for coffee extraction mode, and long press for the red light heating mode. How to make a standard espresso? Let me make one for you using the bottomless method. First, twist open the powder compartment. Put on the dosing ring. Prepare 18 grams of finely ground coffee powder. Use the included WDT tool to break up clumps. Use the tamper to compact the powder. The tamper and dosing ring provide a fixed tamping pressure, which is very user-friendly for beginners. It prevents issues from tamping too hard or too soft. Fixed powder amount, fixed pressure. Threaded design. Tighten it. Install the brew head. If you have an electronic scale, you can pair it with a Yunzi to measure the extraction time and coffee liquid weight. Open the top cover at hot water. At least 50 milliliters, up to 80 milliliters. Close the top cover. Press it twice. The machine has a 10-second pre-infusion, wetting the coffee powder and releasing the aroma, allowing for the extraction of rich coffee creamer. Dark brown in color. The left side shows the time, the right side shows the weight. This is a standard semi-automatic machine, time and liquid weight mode. It will automatically stop. A standard espresso is ready with espresso. You can make latte art, hot Americano, iced Americano, or using espresso as the base. How to remove the coffee puck? Turn it upside down. Press and squeeze with your index finger. And the puck will come out. Cold water self-heating mode. Open the top cover. Add bottle cold purified water or filtered water. Close the top cover. Long press the power switch. The red light will turn on with a beep. To make an iced Americano, put a coffee cup. After the machine finishes heating, it will beep and the light will turn off, then double-click to start extraction. 30-second pre-infusion now. I'll use a 51mm spring-loaded tamper and a self-leveling distributor to make an espresso with our espresso professional espresso machine. I'll use our steam milk frother to make beautiful latte art. At home, you can use your own spring-loaded tamper instead of the included one to explore more fun and interesting coffee making methods and joys. First, pour cold refrigerated milk into the latte art pitcher. Twist open the powder compartment. Put on the dosing ring. Add finely ground coffee powder. Use the distributor to level it. Use the spring-loaded tamper to compact it. Add hot water to the upper part of the water tank. Press it twice and start extracting our espresso. Now, I'll start frothing the milk simultaneously. The finished espresso, finely frothed milk,